speed test between the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has the Google Tensor G4, which is a 4nm chipset with the Mali G715 MC7 GPU with a nice and hefty 16 gigs of RAM and UFS 3.1. Fresh out the box, it comes with Android 14 and of course should be upgradable to the upcoming Android 15, and Google promises 7 years of major Android OS updates versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This one has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is also a 4nm chipset. It has the Adreno 750 GPU, UFS 4.0, and a reasonable 12 gigs of RAM. This one also has Android 14 and the latest version of One UI 6.1. Samsung also promises 7 years of major Android OS updates. Very nice. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. And let's go! Google Pixel 9 Pro XL versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up? And oh, as you can see right away, the Pixel 9 Pro XL super fast on the boot up. However, the S24 Ultra right on its heels is really not too far behind. Very nice. And we are in. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over here. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the Pixel 9 Pro XL and do the same thing on the S24 Ultra. As you can see, no recent items on the Pixel 9 Pro, no recently used apps on the S24 Ultra. All apps, caches, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Now, the Pixel 9 Pro XL does have this fancy animation. The clock app. Very close. Maybe the S24 Ultra. Slow down the video for me and let me know down below. Let's go ahead and start up the stopwatch on both phones and we'll let that run in the background. Messages. And again, the Pixel here with the fancy animation. Let me know down below. The camera. Very close. Again, let me know down below. Let's go ahead and switch over to the front facing. And let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we'll leave it right there. The calculator. Let's go ahead and input a simple calculation. And we'll leave it there. Amazon. I'm gonna give that to the S24 Ultra. Let's go ahead and click on this. And then we'll leave it right there. eBay. S24 Ultra, a little bit faster. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Ooh, very close on that. We'll leave it there. Snapchat. Ooh, S24. Facebook. Ooh, very close. Kind of hard to tell in real life. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. Let me know down below. Instagram. S24. Threads. S24 again. We do have some games, starting with the Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Whoa, the S24, that was super fast on that. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, and the S24 here, super fast. Although I have to say the Pixel means right there, really not too far behind. All right, let me know down below. But I'm gonna give the win to the S24 Ultra. Pixel is keeping up. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see what happens here. Oh boy, okay. The S24 Ultra, a little bit ahead. We'll tap to begin. S24 Ultra again, faster on this step. Sonic Boom. faster on the S24. We'll play a little bit. Leave that in the background so we surf. And the S24 Ultra taking the lead on this one. We'll tap to play. Temple Run 2. Loading on both phones. Oh man, the S24 Ultra taking a little bit of a lead here, so you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and let this run. But the S24 Ultra is out in front, as you can see. And the Pixel is right there. We'll play. And of course, we do have the PUBG. Alright, seeing activity here on the S24 Ultra, loading on the S24 Ultra, and boom, S24 Ultra, we're in. And we are in the PUBG on the S24 Ultra. Pixel, alright. Pixel here is, okay, now it's starting to kind of fall behind a little bit here. So you can see, although not too bad, but it is falling behind a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background. So you can see, now the Pixel does have 4 extra gigs of RAM, 16 gigs on the Pixel 9 Pro XL versus 12 gigs on the S24 Ultra from Samsung. So let's go ahead and run through these apps again. And we'll have a look and see if there's any lags or any stutters, you know. We'll go with the Subway Surf and we can resume this in 3 seconds, and we're playing on both. Alright, so no signs of lag yet on either phone. And then we'll resume the Sonic Boom here. Non-issue Mario Run. Okay, no issues yet. Angry Birds. Nice on both. Threads. Same place. IG. No lags. Facebook. No lags. Snapchat. Ooh, okay. Both kind of stuttered there a little bit. I don't know what's up with that, but there you go. eBay. Okay. Amazon Shopping. We'll click on this and we can resume our shopping. There you go. Calculator. Same place. The camera. A little bit faster on the S24, although the Pixel reverted back to the rear-facing camera. That might just be a setting. Let me know down below. Messages. Same place. The clock app. Still running the stopwatch. And finally, the phone app. Boom! So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel and rocking your brand spanking new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL or the Google Pixel 9 Pro? Are you rocking the Google Pixel 9 in that hot pink? Are you coming from an older Pixel? Or are you an OG and still rocking a Nexus 6P or even the Nexus 6 from Motorola? Now that's going way back. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do you have the regular S24? Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.